Hey everyone, how's it going? So in today's fun video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw Gamera from the new Gamera Rebirth animated series. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with Gamera from the new Gamera Rebirth, let's begin with the eye. So I'm going to start right here, and I'm just going to begin by making a little curved line. And then inside of here, we're going to make a little circle. And then we're going to color in a little tiny pupil. Next, I'm going to bring a little line up. And then we'll bring a little line down. Starting here, I'm going to bring a line that's going to come out and then in to kind of show where the other eye would be. Then I'm going to bring this line up to a point and down. And I'll do a few more, just to kind of make some little spikes across his back. Next, I'm going to make a line that comes down. And then I'm going to bring a line that comes right to about here. Let's make a line that comes up and then down, and it's going to curve around a little bit for one of his big teeth that stick out. And then we'll bring this line down and then up. Next, we're going to make some little sharp pointed teeth in here. And then I'm going to make a line that's going to come down and then back up. And we'll put some more little sharp teeth in there. We'll make another one of those big sharp teeth that comes out on this side. And then we'll make a line that's going to come down and then up here. I'm going to bring this line over. We'll come up and then in like this to kind of shape out the neck. Then I'm going to add a couple little lines right underneath here. And then a couple little lines here. Next, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come down. And I'm just going to kind of follow the same pattern that I did here, where we kind of go out, up, and then back up again. Let's do that again. We just kind of come down. We'll go out, up, and then back up. And I think we'll do it one more time. Let's go down. We'll come up, and then back up like this. Now at the top here, I'm going to go over and then down. I'm going to line this up, but I'm not going to connect it. Do the same thing, over and down, over and down. Now over here, I want to start on the arm. So I'm going to leave a little space, and I'm going to make lines going to come out and then down. And we'll make a little curve. And then I'll bring this one out. Now, starting here, I'm going to make a line that's going to come down to a point and back. We'll make one here that's going to come to a point and back. One here. One right here. And then we'll finally make one more here. He's got 5 claws. Then I'm going to bring this line up to a point and in. And I'm going to do that a couple more times just to make a little bit of texture over there. Now, starting here, I'm going to make a line that's going to come down, and then it's going to come back up like this. We'll make a line that comes out. We're going to go down, up, leave a little space, and we'll just go down again. We'll make another one that's going to go down like this. Make one more down, and up. And then we'll make one more. It's going to go down like this. Next, I'm going to make some curves right across here. And then I'll put a couple more little curve lines on here. Now let's make this arm. So I'm going to start here, and I'm going to bring this line down. And I'm going to bring it out here. Then we'll curve this line down for a claw and bring it up. Make one more here. We'll make one right here. Little line, and we'll make one going this way for like the thumb. Make a little line and then a line here. We'll make a couple curves. And then we'll make a couple little lines right around here for some detail. Now let's work on the leg. So I'm going to start up here, and I'm going to make a line that's going to come down and in. And I'm going to do that a few times for some detail. And then I'm going to bring some of these in like this. I'll make a little line that comes down, and I'll make a point for one of the toes and back. One more here. One right here. And then I'm going to bring this up, and we're going to bring it into here. Now I'm going to make the other leg over here. So let's start it by the hand. We're going to come down and in. And same thing over here. I'll make another line here. And one here. Make a line that comes down to a point and back. Another one. One right there. One point going this way, and one more over here. I'm going to make this line go up and into here. Then we'll just add some little curves on here for the claws. So we're just going to make them nice and curved right there. And then we'll just make some little lines on here. Next, I want to make a line that's going to come down. And that'll be kind of for the tail. But before we finish off the tail, I want to work on the shell up here. So we're going to start here with the shell, and I'm going to make a line that's going to go up. We're going to go over and up. We're going to bring this down. We're going to come up and then curve it right into there. Let's make another one. We're going to go out. We're going to come down and bring this around. Out. We're going to bring this around and in. Do the same thing here. And we'll make the same thing over here. Then I'll make one more. It kind of curves. We'll go down and then up here. Now we can do the tail right here. So let's just make a long line that comes out. We're going to round it off and make it a little bit bigger as it comes back. And there's going to be this long row of like really short little spikes that come all the way down to the very end of the tail. And then we're going to make these lines come all the way down. I'll make some lines right across there. And some lines there. Make some little lines here. And then I want to put a few more big spikes on the shell. So I'm going to make some lines that are just going to go up. And as they come down, I want to make them a little bit more bumpy. So I'm just going to kind of put these all across here. And this is just going to give the shell a little bit more texture. Then I'm going to put another little spike up here. And then I'm going to draw a few little curved lines that come down. So we'll just go down. We'll just kind of curve these around. I'll make one here. Okay, so we got our basic Gamera. We have a lot of details on this, but we just want to add a few more different things just to kind of help make this look even more realistic. So let's kind of start up here on the head, and I'm going to make a little line or two by the mouth. And then maybe a little curved line or two around here. A little line or two on the head. And I'm going to curve this part in a little bit. And make a little line or two by this part of the mouth. I'll draw some broken lines that come down the shell. And even some here on the neck. Even some right here. I like to add just an extra little line or two. Sometimes they can be broken right on here on the shell. And I'm going to curve some of these lines up. And some of these will do the same thing, just kind of curve them up and around. I'm going to add some little curved lines across here on the hands to make it look like they're different sections. And I'll do the same thing over here. We're just going to curve across here. And make some different little sections. So we're going to curve across all this. And we're just going to add some little details right around here. Just to add some detail onto the shell here. And there you go. There is your drawing of Gamera from the new Gamera Rebirth. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.